Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of these phones I picked up on eBay. It's going to be a pretty simple video as it normally is. Should be a whole bunch of videos coming posted tonight, I guess, or in the morning for you guys, so you will have something to enjoy, hopefully. So here we go. One big bundle of phones in bubble wrap, which is what we like. Here we have a Verizon BlackBerry Bold, I think it is. The 8900 right there on T-Mobile. Don't think I have a T-Mobile one. The LCD looks to be good. Here's a LG. I think it's a KP110A. Don't exactly know, but there it is. The LCD looks good, I think. Here's a Kyocera C6730. Doesn't say a SIM card. Doesn't say a carrier. No back, no battery. Nothing like that, so there's that. Here is a generic MP3 player. Kind of looks beat up. Don't really know what to do with this thing. Big full-size SD card slot in it though. Yeah, don't really know what to do with this thing. It's metal on the back. It's 8 gigabytes, so it says right there on this little sticker. But yeah, don't really know what to do with it. There's that thing. Here is a LG with a cracked screen and a broken back, as you can see. Looks to be an LG Stylo, because that has the pin up here, supposedly. It doesn't feel like it's got a battery in it. It doesn't. LG LS770. No battery, cracked screen. I'm guessing the LCD is probably cracked, if I'm guessing. Could be wrong. Here's an LG on Verizon, I'm guessing. Or T-Mobile, it looks like. Right down there it says TMO, so it's probably T-Mobile. I don't see a model number. Oh yeah, LG D415 right there. Not cracked. No back, no battery, no SD card. No SIM card. Here's one I've been looking for in this lot. This is a SCP-3810. This is the Boost Mobile and the silver color, which I don't have. Either the Boost Mobile one, so this is kind of a nice little addition. Looks like it's got a crack up here in the top lens though. Right there. But we'll have to test it out. I got these two for this lot as well. Hopefully one of them is an Altel phone, but this one is a SGH S125G, no battery, no back, no SIM card. And here these ones are. These are CDMA or CDM 8910s. They both seem to be uncarrier branded. So I'm hoping one of them is an Altel device. So I'll have to go look for my Verizon one to take the battery out to test both of these. But that is the little unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.